Okay, I've been home about an hour, and as soon as I got home, this started. Rain, rain, rain. Mr. Nicky was outside, and I got him in just as this was starting. Poor kitty. No birds at the feeder today. Looks like it's empty. I try not to feed them once the weather gets warm anyway, because they need to learn to forage for food when it's available. Woo! Just blowing. Pouring off the roof. That raised bed contains my blackberry bushes that I have high hopes for in the future. They're just little plants right now. And the bird feeders that we watch from our computers. And the bird bath with a little gnome hiding underneath it. And my lantana by the lamppost. So ready for a sunny day.